In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to invert the colors of your Chromebook screen. This will essentially make every color on the screen show as the opposite of that color. So white will be black and black will be white and so on. This can make a lot of things look quite weird, especially images, but it can be helpful in certain specific circumstances. To do this, you'll need to open up the Settings app, and the easiest way to do that is to click on the time in the bottom right corner and then click this Settings icon here. And then in the Settings app, in this left-hand menu here, scroll down a bit to Accessibility near the bottom of this menu and click Accessibility. And then in the Accessibility menu here, find Display and Magnification and click that. And now in this list here, the second option should be Color Inversion, which is what we want. So all we have to do is click this switch here to turn that on, or you can use this keyboard shortcut Search Control-H if you prefer, but Timmy's just going to use this switch here to turn it on. And now, as you can see, all the colors are the opposite colors. So Timmy had a lot of green on the screen before, and apparently the opposite of green is purple, so there's now quite a lot of purple around. But apart from that, at the moment it kind of just looks like it's in dark mode, because we did have white background with a whole lot of black text, so it's just put black background with white text to make it all the opposite like that. So a lot of the time it kind of does just look like you're in dark mode, but now we can close the settings and go ahead and use the Chromebook with the inverted colors. So as you can see down here at the shelf with all the apps, some of the app icons look really quite weird, especially the Chrome icon. And if we click on Chrome to open up Chrome, you'll see once again, this is Google Docs. It mostly just looks like Google Docs in dark mode, which is actually pretty good. But then when we have a picture, you'll see this picture looks like it was taken with night vision goggles or something. This looks quite weird. And we have another picture down here that's also not the way it's meant to be. And it's really anything with colors looks a bit weird. And as an example, Tech Time with Timmy website, again, it all looks different, or maybe Google Drive or something. Mostly it is all pretty good, but a lot of the colors do look a bit weird. But this is what it all looks like with inverted colors. And that's really all there is to it. So now, if you want to turn it off and go back to normal, if or when, probably when, the easiest way Timmy would probably recommend is just the keyboard shortcut, so Control and the search key. Sometimes the search key on some Chromebooks, or it might be the assistant key, or the other new key on certain really new Chromebooks, but Control whatever that key is that you have, and then H, and that will turn it off really easily. So this is a really quick and easy way to jump between the two options like this. The other way you could turn it off is to just basically do the reverse of what we originally did to turn it on. So we would go back into Settings and Accessibility and Display and Magnification and find Color Inversion and turn that off there. Or another option is once you are using accessibility options like this, it will usually put an accessibility menu in this system settings here. This doesn't always show up on every Chromebook, but for most people, if you just click on the time here, within all these icons, there will usually be an accessibility option. If you don't see it on your Chromebook, you might just need to come into the Settings app and Accessibility and turn this on here. But as you can see, Timmy had it turned off and Timmy still got it. So most of the time these days, it is always there. But once you have the accessibility option here, you can just come in here really quickly and find the color inversion option, color inversion here, and turn that on or off from right here. So you don't have to open the Settings app. So there's kind of three ways you can do it there. Timmy prefers the keyboard shortcut, but you can go into the settings or use the menu by clicking on the time. But that's really all there is to it. That's how you can use color inversion on your Chromebook, how you can turn it on and off. As Timmy said, it does look quite weird, but if you need it for something specific, you can use it. Or if you just want a dark mode on your Chromebook to have everything looking really dark, mostly black backgrounds with white text, there is actually a better way that you can specifically enable just dark mode. So then you'll get mostly everything being dark, but images and colors and everything will still stay the way they're meant to be. So if you do just want dark mode, Timmy has a specific video on that. You might be better off watching that video instead. But if you do want true color inversion, this is how you can do that. But that's all there is to this video. So hopefully if you found it helpful, and Timmy might see you in another one in the future.